T260U castings are made of high-quality cast iron. All castings are annealed for excellent casting stability. Equipped with BT30-100-20,000 RPM mechanical spindle and clamping arm servo tool magazine, it has the advantages of high rotational speed, good finish, fast tool change, and high machining efficiency. Equipped with DD direct drive cradle rotary table with 0 backlashes, rapid response speed, and high precision. The system is equipped with an RTCP tool tip following function, which can realize 5-axis linkage machining of complex surfaces with high accuracy. The equipment can process workpieces range of 380 by 290 mm, widely used in complex workpiece processing and manufacturing, automotive parts manufacturing, medical equipment, rail transportation, high-end molds, complex crafts, new energy, and other fields.